This video will show you how to use the QVAR RediHaler. The QVAR RediHaler is a device used to give asthma medication. First, wash your hands. Hold the inhaler upright. The cap should be at the bottom. Open the cap. Do not cover the vent at the top. Turn your head away from the inhaler and breathe out all the way. Put the inhaler in your mouth and close your lips around the mouthpiece. Take a deep breath in. Take the inhaler out of your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds. Close the cap all the way. Repeat if more than one puff is prescribed, starting with opening the cap. Then breathe all the way out. Opening the cap is how the medicine is dispensed into the mouthpiece. When you are finished, rinse your mouth with water and spit. Check the back of the inhaler to see how many doses are left. The numbers will turn red when there are 20 doses left. That means it is time to refill the medication. Clean the inhaler mouthpiece with a dry cloth only. Do not get this inhaler wet.